What's up, guys? Back again for another vlog. I'm sorry I'm filming in the dark. What I am installing right now, hopefully gonna finish it, requires dark. So yeah, let me give you a little shakedown of what I'm doing right now. Okay, so welcome to my interior. Yeah. So I'm installing interior lights. Sorry for shake cam. So I did this all ahead of time just to speed the process up, just for the sake of the vlog. Basically, it's 5 screws to get the console off, and you take your shift knob off so you can slide the boot off because it's connected to it, obviously. And from there, so you take that off, you make sure you slide it forward because these stay connected for the trunk and the gas door. So just slide that out. You can put it outside the car, whatever. There is a plug, let's see, for the light for the cup holder inside of it somewhere. Put this up there. This goes down there. I'll get to that. But basically I have all this off. Also, another thing for all you Miata guys, I didn't know this. My friend Brandon taught me it. I tried to use the shoelace process of getting the vents out, but actually do not do that. It will break it. That tears out the circular. It tears out the ball of the vent. The whole thing is supposed to come out, and they just slide back in. So what you do is, I'll try to give an example right quick. So when they are in there, right, you get a screwdriver. It doesn't matter, Phillips or flathead, doesn't really matter. Just some sort of long screwdriver that's gonna fit all the way through it, basically. Because what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry it out. You're gonna go on the outside one, or you can go on the inside. Sometimes you might have to go bottom top to wedge it out. I had to do it with this side, as being a bitch. But you do that, and you just basically walk it out. You pry it out and pull it, and it just comes out. There's no clips or anything. So there's that. You got those, and then once you get there, to get the tombstone piece off, see that hole? Not hole. 2 screws that go there, and then from there, let's see, this comes out, and then for the hazard light and your headlight button, you have to unplug that to take the tombstone all the way off. And I'll get back to you guys once I do that. So I'm not sure if you necessarily needed to take the tombstone off, but because this whole setup goes underneath the trans tunnel, not underneath the trans tunnel, but back there, I have to take it off because I have to get to my double din. Normally, I don't know if you Miata guys have this, but I have it, so I have to take it out to get back there. So, yeah. So, now let's get to the part. So, to get all of this under there, I had to take all this out. I'm not gonna disconnect all of this because I don't really need to. I can just put it off to the side. It kind of sits on the seat right here a little bit. So I was trying to figure out how to get these side panels off. I could feed it through there, but there's not much room to work with there. I'd really have to take this whole side off. I was trying to figure out how. This is my first time doing any of this, so it seems like right here is going to be what's connecting the side piece to, I don't know what you call this, I don't know words. The screw is all the way, you have to go from behind, so underneath and back, and the screw is back here. So I'm going to get that and the other one, and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, so update on progress. I ended up not taking these side pieces off, just for the sake of time and effort. It was actually pretty simple to do without taking them off. So you have your 2 little plugs on the side here for anything. Basically, I led the cigarette lighter plug out of that. I don't know, I think that's going underneath the actual side panel. Just kind of pulled it out and squeezed it under. Same with the controller receiver to receive signal. And then I obviously left the light out too. I'm kind of tucking it under here so it doesn't really go anywhere just yet, but because that's just 3M tape that just goes to wherever you want to mount it. And same with this side, just a light. And then I don't know. I might keep these two out. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet. I might just keep them underneath the console. Because right now, the plan, if I'm going to use these other two, they're literally just going to... Like, I'm just going to fucking 3M them to the carpet back here. Because there's nowhere else I can put them. The wire doesn't reach far enough anywhere. And that's only like the logical one. And I might get some electrical tape and tape half of it off that's on my... Like, towards the cockpit side, so that I'm not getting blinded when I go to look behind me if I'm backing up or anything. So that, what else? Yeah, so I'm just putting my interior back in. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I seem to have, oh no, I didn't lose it back here. I think the battery in the controller might be dead, but it's not. The lights aren't going on. I'm not sure. The light lights up. You're not going to see it on camera, obviously, but the light in there, there's a little red light in the signal sender, whatever you want to call it. Sorry for being really dumb about this stuff. I don't know if the battery in it's dead or what. I forgot the type. I can't do it with one hand to take it out, but I'm gonna get another battery for it. Hopefully that's the issue. But yeah, because it's not necessarily cheap, but it's not like, I don't know. I got this as a present, so I'm not complaining if it doesn't work or not. But it would be cool if it did. It's gonna suck if it doesn't. I was low-key hyped about this. It's trying to be a racer. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna put my interior back together. I also have to go tomorrow to Firestone because this bitch keeps going flat. So yeah, you guys may see this in the morning. If not, peace out. Yeehaw. Okay guys, so we're in a Circle K, got some batteries. Turns out, let's just do that. But yeah, we'll get that Members Only Volume 4. So it turns out it wasn't the batteries in the remote. My fucking cigarette lighter was fucking unplugged back there. So guess who's got working lights? Lady Titty, you're... Can't really see from the front, but yeah.